Welcome to the VSD M18 RGB upgrade tutorial. We'll guide you step by step to upgrade your firmware and software to unlock the latest RGB features. Before we begin, export your current scenes in VSDCraft. Go to Settings, Scenes, select any scene. Then click Export and choose to export all scenes. Close VSDCraft. Open your browser. Input Side official website. Select Software page. Download the Firmware Upgrade Tool VSD M18 RGB Upgrade Tool Windows version. Download VSD M18 Upgrade document. Please read the instructions before upgrading for the first time. Find the Upgrade Tool compressed file. Extract to the appropriate location. Open the decompressed file. Find up to 2.3.exe and open it. Before upgrading, please ensure that your device is connected properly. Click the Start button to upgrade. Please wait patiently for 1-2 minutes until the progress bar reaches 100%. Do not touch the device during the upgrade process. If you encounter problems during the upgrade process, please read the documentation. Next, upgrade the VSDCraft software to support RGB lights. Download the latest version of the software. We can see that the firmware upgrade is complete. Close this window. Install the software. Open the software and check the firmware and software versions. The software version number is 3.10.194.0717. The firmware version number is V3.18.02.014. You can now change your RGB lights in the settings. If you need to restore the original colors, click Restore Default. Congratulations! Your upgrade is complete. For support, visit VSDinside.com or join our Discord. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your enhanced RGB experience.